it's in the highest position, the chair itself, and furthest to the back as possible. And next what we need to do is remove these plastic covers. Push it from this edge until you get that pin out, I'm thinking, and maybe after that it somehow lifts up, but yeah. Okay, there might be another way. I think you can actually separate this plastic from the rail itself. Let's see. Yep, one side is separated. Let's separate the other one, and it will also come with this one, so you don't need to particularly get this one apart from this. Let's see how I undo this side. Yeah, so you just put this flathead between the plastic and the rail itself and push it, so it will come undone from those holes, and now everything is actually loose in here, and we are done. And let's see how that, yeah, that was broken by me another time when I worked on it. So easier to take the whole thing out and get full access in here. And they go in something like that. Make sure it goes over the screw. Come on, camera, focus in there. Yeah, doing this with my left hand, trying to watch the camera if it will focus or not. It's not really easy. Yeah, and you need to wiggle it a lot in place to make sure it actually clips in. Yeah, I need to do this off camera. It's impossible to film and clip that thing in at the same time. And it's done. Ta-da!